Good morning, students. Let us study today about the concept of ribosomes. So in the previous class we have studied about mitochondria. Today we will study about ribosomes. So ribosomes are small granular structures which are present in the cytoplasm. So they exist as small granular structures. Where they are present? They are present in cell cytoplasm. We studied about different cell organelles which are present in the cytoplasm. Ribosomes are one of the structures which are present in the cytoplasm of a cell. These are made up of proteins and RNA. Their chemical nature is they are made up of proteins and RNA. They are made up of protein and RNA. RNA stands for ribonucleic acid. Ribonucleic acid and protein. RNA is produced in the nucleus and it is transported to the cell cytoplasm. In the cell cytoplasm, it associates with the ribosomes. So, these are scattered in the cytoplasm. They are not present at one place. They are just scattered in the cytoplasm. You find ribosomes on the endoplasmic reticulum. I already said this when we studied about endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum contains ribosomes. It contains ribosomes and such a type of endoplasmic reticulum is called as rough endoplasmic reticulum. So rough means ribosomes are present. Smooth ER and rough ER we have studied. Okay, so rough endoplasmic reticulum contains proteins and that is the site for the synthesis of proteins. Ribosomes play an important role in protein synthesis. So protein synthesis requires ribosomes. If ribosomes are not there, protein synthesis is affected. So protein synthesis occurs because of the ribosomes. Now let us see if this is the cell. If this is the cell, I said that in the nucleus the RNA is produced. So once the RNA is produced in the nucleus, it moves to the cell cytoplasm. Now once it moves to the cell cytoplasm, inside the cell cytoplasm it associates with the ribosomes. Can you see the ribosome? These are ribosomes. This is nucleus. In the nucleus RNA is produced and this RNA comes and associates with the ribosomes like this. So once it comes and associates with the ribosome, such a type of ribosomes will help in the protein synthesis. So what is ribosome made up of? Ribosomes are made up of two subunits. One is called as smaller subunit. The other one is called as larger subunit. So this is also made up of protein and this is also made up of protein. So this is smaller subunit, this is larger subunit. When they associate together, you call it as a ribosome. Now, proteins along with the RNA. So can you see this thread-like structure? This is RNA. So once the protein associates with the RNA, smaller subunit, larger subunit and RNA, you are calling it as a ribosome. So this structure can be called as a ribosome. So where it is present? It is scattered in the cell cytoplasm. Can you see many ribosomes? So many ribosomes are present scattered in the cell cytoplasm. They are present in the cell cytoplasm made up of smaller subunit and larger subunit. In case of prokaryotes like bacteria, they are made up of 30s subunit and 50s subunit. In bacteria or prokaryotes, they are made up of 30s smaller subunit and 50s larger subunit. Whereas in eukaryotes, they are made up of 40s smaller subunit and 60s larger subunit. Smaller and larger subunits. So 30s and 50s are present in the prokaryotes. Such a type of ribosome you are calling it as 70s. 40s and 60s ribosomes are present, you call it as 80s. So prokaryotes contain 70s type of ribosome, eukaryotes contain 80s type of ribosome. So here this is 70s type of ribosome. If ribosomes smaller subunit and larger subunit, if it is containing an RNA, you call it as a 80s type of ribosome. So this is made up of 40s and 60s. Such a type of ribosome is called as 80s type. 80s type will have 40s and 60s. 70s type will have 30s and 50s. This is a type of ribosome which is found in prokaryotes. 70s type. 80s type is present in the eukaryotes. It contains 40s and 60s. Okay. So many ribosomes are present in the cell cytoplasm, and it can be 70s type or 80s type depending on the type of organism.